Hi, and welcome to the Garden Fix. I'm Rob, and I'm in Zone 6B, Western Pennsylvania. So today, I want to talk to you about the Color Guard Yuccas that we planted last year. If you remember that video, you probably remember how I struggled getting them out of the pot. That was probably the most exciting part of the video. I don't know. But you could go back and check that planting out if you want to. I'll put the link below. But anyway, we're going to talk about this plant and how it's doing right now and how awesome it is. First off, this plant, and I'm standing by it right here, we have two of them, it is hardy in zones 4 through 10, and it's also deer and rabbit resistant. And I would say that's probably because, partially because of these sharp points at the ends of the foliage. And the foliage, by the way, is magnificent. As you can see, it has this beautiful variegation, and on a sunny day, it really stands up and stands at attention. Looks fantastic. You can see that it is planted here in the full sun, and you got to put this in full sun to thrive. Also, well-draining soil too, so fast draining, full sun, and it'll be happy. Now, every spring, which I'm very excited about, you start to get this stalk that comes up, and this stalk, by the way, before I get into that stalk, this foliage here can get to be about 3 feet tall, 3 feet wide. So we're probably at about 2 feet right now. Could probably go up to about 3 feet here, 3 feet this way. Now the stalk. Okay, so every spring shoots up this stalk. The stalk, believe it or not, is going to get anywhere from 5 feet to 8 feet tall. Not only that, it's going to have an amazing flower at the top, and I can't wait for that to happen. So it's going to be really nice. I can't wait to share it with you. By the way, if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel, like this, and also follow us on Instagram. Just look us up there. Look up the Garden Fix 2022 if you want to follow us there, see some insight into what's happening in our yard. So anyway, until next time, guys, I'll see you in the garden.